What's going on, guys? Twice a month, I get paid into my PayPal account by Shopify, as you can see here. 2,400, 2,700, 2,900, 2,800, 3,500, and there's definitely no shortage of other Shopify success stories. You've probably seen them online yourself, and here's some up on the screen right now. But did you know that there's actually more than one way to make money with Shopify? A lot of people think there's one way. Well, there's actually multiple ways to make money on Shopify. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you some of the ways that you can make money with Shopify, and I'm going to show you real examples of ways that I make money with Shopify in this tutorial. If you're looking for ways to make money on Shopify, this is the video for you, and you're going to want to stick all the way to the end. I bring out videos every single week, so smash that like button and tap that notification bell. Let's jump into this video and I'll show you how to make money on Shopify for beginners in 2022. So before we get into this, Shopify is an online e-commerce platform where people can build online stores to sell products. Now you might be thinking, well, I don't have a store, so how can I make money with Shopify? Well, you don't actually need a store if you don't want to. There's other ways you can make money with Shopify, and I'm going to show you some of those ways in this tutorial. But if you don't know what Shopify is, it's an e-commerce platform where people can create stores to sell products online. So one of the first ways and one of the most popular ways to make money online with Shopify is if you go to the Shopify website and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see here that it says affiliate program. Now, in the affiliate program is you can promote Shopify to people who are looking to start an online store, and you get a commission. So you get like your own little back dashboard where you can check all your stats. You get your own custom link. You get everything you need to promote Shopify. Now, all you need to do is you need to click on Start Earning, and you can sign up as a Shopify affiliate. And they've got some frequently asked questions here if you want to learn more about it. Now, this is one of the ways you can make money with Shopify, and one of the best ways if you don't actually have a store. But how do you actually get people to click on your link so you can make money? Now, some of these ways is people will do like Shopify tutorials on their blogs and websites, right? And it will show up in Google. And when people click on these, they have affiliate links in them. And there's also other queries like Shopify review, how to build an e-commerce store. There's really lots of different ways that you can go and promote your specific link. So this is Shopify review, and I clicked on a random one in there. And this is called Larry Ludwig's Reviews. And essentially he reviews the product. And this will be an affiliate link right here. You can also do Shopify videos like Shopify tutorial, for example. All of these people do Shopify tutorials teaching you how to make money with Shopify and start Shopify stores. And then here's a video of mine, which is Shopify tutorial for beginners, how to start a profitable Shopify store in 2019. So this one is quite old, but if we go down here, this is an affiliate link here as well. So this is one of the main ways you can make money with Shopify without actually having a Shopify store. And I make pretty good money with this right now. All you need to do is recommend Shopify to people via Google and websites like I have right here, and also via YouTube, where people are doing tutorials every single day showing people how to make money with Shopify, and they drop their affiliate links in the descriptions. All right, now another very popular way to make money on Shopify is to go to a website called AliExpress and find specific products from suppliers and then resell them on your own Shopify store. So this is called dropshipping, and essentially you become a middleman. So for example, this is AliExpress.com here, and they have all sorts of categories that you can go through and all sorts of products you can sell in lots of different specific niches. Now, I've gone down and clicked on one from the super deals here, and it's taken me to this page here. For example, I could find a supplier who basically can sell these drones. Now, I don't have to buy these drones myself. What I can actually do is I can start a Shopify store, a basic Shopify store for $29 per month. And on Shopify, you can install an application called Oberlo. And what Oberlo does is it lets you import these products from AliExpress. It's an application. It lets you import these products from AliExpress and sell them on your store without you actually holding any inventory. So it's a very low risk business because you don't have to buy lots of products, and if they don't sell, then you have a problem with lots of inventory. You can sell these one at a time, and then what happens is Oberlo, once the order's done, Oberlo will automatically tell you, and then you simply go and push a few buttons, and then what's going to happen is Oberlo will tell the supplier on AliExpress, they will send the product, and then you just keep the money in between. Now, how do you actually get traffic to sell these products? You can use things like Facebook ads, which give you really targeted advertising that you can go and use. And it's got a platform that you can use. You can go and find videos online on how to actually run Facebook ads. But ones that have been very popular recently, so let's take drones, for example, on YouTube. When people put in drones, you can see these ads that pop up. And let's just click on one real quick. And I'll show you, I've never clicked on this before, so I have no idea what it looks like. But essentially, this is a drone store in my country. If we go to products, /for drone, they have a very basic website that you could potentially create something like this yourself and then sell a drone from AliExpress. And you could simply run ads on YouTube if you wanted to. You do this through Google Ads. It's very targeted, it's very specific, and this is how you get traffic to your Shopify /AliExpress drop shipping store. Now, if you want more information on this, you can go and check out this video that'll show exactly what you need to do. All right, another way to make money with Shopify, and probably one of my favorites that's made me a lot of money over the last few years, is you can create an application or a theme to sell on Shopify. Now, you don't actually need to create this yourself, and I'll explain in a second. So this is my theme called eCom Turbo. And as we scroll down, I'll show you my face so you know that I actually own this. So this is me. I own this product. Now, I'm not a designer or a coder. I did not design this myself, and I'll explain to you how I got this designed in a second. I did design this page, very simple to do. I did it based off a template. It took me a few hours. However, I did not design the actual theme myself, and this theme has made a considerable amount of money for me. What I did is I went to Upwork.com and I found a theme developer on Upwork.com, and I got this theme created from a third-party person or third-party business. So I outsourced all of the work. I even outsource all of the support. Now, you can sell your theme on Shopify themes, but if you do sell your theme through them, there are some requirements and they do take a commission. Now, our theme is sold through Facebook ads and Google ads. We don't sell it through Shopify ourselves. Now, another one you can do is you can create Shopify applications. So there's all sorts of different apps that you can create. We actually have an email application that we started creating some time ago, and we're finishing it off now, and we're going to start selling it on the App Store. Now, this is a great way to make money. You can literally make millions and millions of dollars selling applications and themes if you do it right and you use the right marketing channels, where we used Facebook and Google ads. But this is a great way, and if you want to just an easy way to sell it, if you get approved, you can sell your apps on the App Store, or you can sell your themes on the Shopify theme store, because you will get organic sales doing it this way, and you won't have to put in as much work, but you probably won't make as much as how we did it here, where we made our own separate theme and we sold it through our own marketing channels, which was way more profitable, and we didn't have to give up a commission to Shopify and things like that. But this is another way that you can go and make money with Shopify. Now, while we're on the topic of Upwork and Shopify, you can actually upload your own services to Upwork if you like, and this is another way to make money with Shopify. And you can do a few things. First of all, you can design Shopify stores for people if you have those skills. Now, I'm not talking about creating a theme. I'm talking about actually designing stores for people. You can do that on Upwork.com. So these people will design stores. This person will double your revenue. I guess he has some way of doing marketing and stuff. But as you go down, these are people that have uploaded their services to Upwork.com, and they will do things like design Shopify stores. They will increase people's income by doing marketing. They will. This one here is design or redesign a store that's already live. And you can upload your services to this website as well. Now, another one that I thought was interesting is you can actually be a Shopify VA, customer service support manager. So essentially, you can upload yourself as a customer support. So a Shopify store will have people that message them and ask them questions. You can be that support for that Shopify store as well. Now, another website where you can do this is Fiverr.com. And you can put up things like, I will create a passive income e-commerce dropshipping store. I will build a high converting Shopify store for $700. I will build an automatic dropshipping store for $200, and they have different packages. So like if we click on this one, he's probably got a few different packages that you can do. So the basic is $796, standard is $955 and the premium is over $1,000. So if you can go and teach yourself how to create a store, or if you already have those skills, this is a great way to make money with Shopify without actually having your own Shopify store. All right, guys, so those are some of the best ways to go and make money on Shopify in 2022 for beginners. If you have some questions, let me know below and I'll answer them for you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out, and I'll see you in the next video.